Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to Friday Night Gab. This is not live tonight. I'm not live tonight. Last week I kept saying that that it was Friday Night Live. I don't know why I was calling it that, but this is my usual Friday Night Gab. Every Friday night, most every Friday night throughout the year at 7 o'clock Central Time, I post a video and I tell you what's new and exciting or whatever. Not necessarily exciting, but what's new, whatever. If y'all have asked me questions or whatever, I might answer them then. So it is a catch-up kind of a video. Blue is right here. Blue, what's on your face, lovey? They just got done eating. So what has been going on with y'all this week? I'm telling y'all, the time change messed me up. It messes me up. Plus, maybe I blame it on the time change, but I've had sinus issues all week. My voice has gone in and out. One day I had to leave work early because I just was getting like this pressure right here, and I have some pressure in my head, but I'm not like blowing my nose and stuff like that. So I know it's all sinus related. So there's things blooming here. It's warm. Today is 82, 84, something like that. And we're getting all this rain. After that, it rains a lot, and then it cools off, and then it gets warm, and then it gets sunny and pretty, and then it rains a lot. We've had a lot of ups and downs, but that's, I think, is our usual spring. So, I don't know, what about y'all? It did seem like, I don't know. It seems like things are a little topsy-turvy. That's what it seems like to me. So I hope that spring is happening for most everybody. I know that it's not. From some of y'all that live up north are having snowstorms. So I'm so sorry about that. I hope that changes soon. What you doing, Blue? So let's move on a little bit. I told y'all when I opened my Ipsy glam bag that I didn't receive my Boxycharm. Now, y'all tell me, am I wrong? Didn't we always get Boxycharm around, by the 10th of the month-ish? And then we got the glam bag after that? But it's today. This time they came right at the, well, one came one day and one came the next day. It was like that. Boxycharm said, even the tracking, it said that the tracking was, there was nothing, I don't know. It was like it was lost. It was lost. And it went near me, not about an hour away from me. And then it went back to the next state over, to Georgia, to Atlanta. And then it stayed there, and then they said that the tracking was like, we can't find that number. And then it landed at my house. So not sure what, the post office seems to not be doing the best job here lately. And I don't want to pick on anyone in particular, but I've been having crazy trouble. My water bill never came. Hey, Blue, you hear that? You hear the train? My water bill never came, which has happened before. I called them, and they said they mailed them out. And, just to find out what my amount was and whatever. They mailed it. It was postmarked the 23rd of February, and I actually got it on the 13th of March. So it was past due already. If I hadn't called and found out what I owed, it would have been past due by the time I got it. It's just been that way. This whole year has been sort of that way. I mean, it's just March, but it's like a long week at work, a really long week at work. It's like, will it ever end? Okay, Blue. I guess is the train bothering you today? All right, so I just want to tell you about that. I did get the Boxy, and I really had a great glam bag, and I had a great Boxycharm. Really great. So I'm happy about that. I also in my CatLady Box, y'all know when opening the CatLady Box, it's pretty chaotic because they're all right here. The cats are all right here. So when I went through these again, I was going to put them in my cabinet. These are the 3 super duper cute leftover containers. There's 3, and they stack into they stack up. In the bottom of one of them, it had this little card, and it says, "Please do not microwave, but do tell your cat we said hello." I thought that was hysterical. I don't think you can see that. I don't think I can get that, but I thought that was pretty funny. CatLady Box they love our cats. They love our cats, and I love them. And I don't know what just happened to me, but Blue, I don't know. I don't know. Got this. Look at that. Can you see that? He must have scratched me. All right, now Camille's over. Come in, come on. I got fur in my face now. All right, so y'all, if you haven't noticed already, if you are an Ipsy member, check out their points. Sometimes they don't change the points for a while. You know, you get points if you do your reviews. If you refer people and they use your code or your link, you get points. If you do your reviews on all of your products, which, see, you get 5 in the glam bag and I get 5 in the boxy, you get 15 points for each review you do. And also, if you have any trouble, sometimes they give you some points. So they have some good stuff in their points section right now. So if you have points piled up, go check it out. They have some good things. Now, they always have, you know, sometimes, I don't know, sometimes they don't have that much stuff in there. Maybe 5 or 6 items. They have things where you can cash in 600 points, 1,200 points, or 1,800 points. They have an Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in the 1,800 points. So go check it out if you have points. Just sometimes people forget about that, and I forget about that myself, so I thought I would remind you. And how did y'all do with the time change? I think Blue came up and I was talking about that, and then he, you know, so he messed me up as usual. I think, oh, I have my Mask Monday. This past Mask Monday was with Krusty Kristen, and I hope y'all went over to see her. She's just a sweetheart. She's a great girl, and that will be ending on Sunday. So if you want to go watch both of our videos, comment on both of our videos, then enter our giveaways, you can do that. You have to be publicly subscribed to both of us, and we'll be picking this weekend. I'm not sure when Kristen is picking, but I'm picking Sunday. So go check her out. And it's for some sheet masks, for some nice sheet masks. So go check that out. And my treasure trove giveaway is always going on. And I also have the Dollar Tree train. I'm in the Dollar Tree train. It is the Excellent Spring. And that will end on Sunday. And I think it really was going to end. We all had our own time to end it. And I'm ending at Sunday noon central, like I usually do noon central. It's just easier for me. So if you get a chance, there are 13 channels. It's a big one. It's a big one. So if you can't, that's okay. You know, but if you wanted to enter the giveaways, then you should watch all the videos. If you're new to anybody's channel, you shouldn't just click subscribe and get out, or click subscribe and say hey and get out, because that will ruin your subscription. YouTube will knock you off. Maybe not all the time, but we had a lot of new subscribers between the 13 channels, and a lot of us, my video, when you have a YouTube channel, there's also an app called, or is it an app? YouTube Studio. So it tells you how your videos are doing. And my video for that collab, I got over 100 subscribers, but they're all gone. Every one of them is gone. And YouTube just gives me a song and dance, and that's the way they are, and that's the way they're going to stay, because they don't ever answer you. They're just like all these other companies that don't ever answer you. They just throw you like little bones that make no sense. So if you were new to my channel, you probably are not watching this video. But if you are, then you may want to check to make sure you're still subscribed, because on my end, it probably shows that you're not, which means that because you have to be publicly subscribed to enter all the giveaways, and you have to comment on all 13 channels. So if you didn't do that, you're not eligible to win any of the giveaways. And that's the way it is. And you can deny it or argue with me about it, as some people have, and it's not going to change it. So I don't do that. I'm not an arguer. I am here for fun. I'm here to have a good time. I'm here to thank my subscribers, because I appreciate y'all so much. I'd like to give you gifts. That's what I like to do. That's why I do my giveaways. So please do as we ask. And if you don't want to do as we ask, that's fine. Then don't enter the giveaways. there will be other giveaways that you can enter. I do giveaways often. So do the other channels. A lot of the other channels. Not all of them, but so do a lot of them. So what am I wearing this evening? I have on my new Wander Beauty palette that I just got in my Boxycharm, and I really like it. I just wish you could see it in person, because I don't know that this really shows off how fabulous, like this crazy color here. It's crazy. It's like a greenish gold. It's really cool. These shimmers are fabulous. There are 6 shimmers in here, and the mattes are very nice too. There's a lot of pigment. I did swatch this in the Boxycharm video, so if you want to see it swatched, go check that video out. And that is what I have on my eyes. I did get it really dirty already. And then on my lips, I have this fabulous, this feels really good, I like it, this Yensa Super 8 Vibrant Silk Lipstick. It's gold on black, so really hard to see, but there's the Yensa, and it is in the color Noble. And I love how this works. You press this, it pops out, and there's your lippy. And it is gorgeous. I love it. This is like my true favorite color. I have quite a few like this. Similar, you know what I mean? I love it. So that is what I'm wearing on my lips. So I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, a wonderful evening, a wonderful Friday, a wonderful weekend. I don't know. Our weather here is crazy. Like I said, we're gonna have rain. I think storms and rain. And sometimes when they tell us we're going to have storms, we don't, which is good, which is nice. And like I said, some people are having snow, so I hope everybody is safe. And I've already been having to do yard work. I don't do yard work, y'all. It's not that I don't want to do it. I just don't do a good job. I'm terrible at yard work. Really, I am. So I had to get someone. Nobody wants to do yard work either, let me just tell you. I do have someone that mows for me regularly, but he doesn't want to do the extra kind of yard work, like the flower beds and stuff. So I had to get someone to do that. So that is done, and it looks nice. So that's how springy it's been that I've been able to do that. So he put mulch in and everything. So anyway, y'all, thanks for stopping by. Count your blessings. I hope you're able to get out. I hope it's springy enough that you're able to get out and do some yard work this weekend, if that's what you like to do. And y'all take care and count your blessings, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye, y'all.